Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about torque on magnetic dipole. First of all, you have to make a uniform magnetic field. This is uniform magnetic field. In this magnetic field, we kept a magnetic dipole. This is south pole, this is north pole. Having the pole strength Qm, therefore force on the south pole will be in this direction, given by F equals to Qm into B, and the force on this dipole will be in this direction, given by F equals to Qm into B. Now this will take a line of action. This is perpendicular direction, this length 12, this angle theta. You can take perpendicular distance, this is 12 sine theta. Now this magnetic field will make this dipole in magnetic field direction like this. This is dipole and the force acting on this dipole on this direction, and the two equal and opposite forces make a couple, due to which this magnetic dipole rotate in uniform magnetic field like this. Therefore torque tau equals to force into perpendicular distance. What's the force? You can take force, this is Qm into B, and the perpendicular distance, this is 12 sine theta. Now Qm into 12, this one, this is called M, magnetic dipole moment. This B, this is sine theta. This is tau equals to mb sine theta, or you can write in the vector notation, this is m cross b. This is torque. Now the first case, number 1, stable situation, theta equals to 0 degree. In theta equals to 0 degree, torque will be 0, because m b sine 0 and sine 0 equals to 0, total torque will be 0. Unstable position, unstable, this is number 2. There will be theta equals to 180, this is anti-parallel situation. Again torque will be 0 because sine 180 equals to 0. Now the third situation, theta equals to 90 degree, this will be maximum torque situation, in which tau maximum can be calculated as mb sine 90, and sine 90 is equals to 1. Answer will be m into b. This torque will be maximum like this in this situation. Further, we can calculate by this formula of the torque, we can calculate the work done on magnetic dipole. For this, we will proceed in the next section like this. Now we have to rotate this dipole through a small angle, therefore work done, this is dw, torque into d theta. This is work done formula in form of rotation. Work done, this is total work done, this will be taken as integration, this is integration, this is tau, this is d theta. Work done, tau, this is pe sine pe mb sine theta, this will be sine theta d theta, limit theta 1 to theta 2. What will be the integration of sine theta? You can write minus cos theta. Minus take outside of the integration. This will be the cos theta. Limit theta 1 to theta 2. This is work done. This is also called potential energy U. Now putting the limit, this will be the MB, upper limit minus lower limit. This is cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1, upper limit minus lower limit. This is the formula for potential energy or work done for rotating magnetic dipole moment, magnetic dipole in uniform magnetic field. Also we can take by taking a situation like this, theta 1 equals to 90 degree and theta 2 we can take like theta. Putting this value, you can calculate the formula minus MB. At the place cos theta 2, you can take cos theta, and cos theta 1 you can take cos 90. Cos 90 you know 0. Now the formula minus ka MB, this is cos theta. Now this is in scalar notation M dot B. This is your electrostatic potential energy. This is your potential energy of rotating magnetic dipole in uniform magnetic field. This is similar as electrostatic potential energy. U equals to PE cos theta in electric field, or U equals to minus P dot E. You can see this is U equals to minus P dot E, and you can see for the magnet U equals to minus M dot B. Thank you.